Hello, children. Let us learn the important events of the chapter The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. As this is a very important chapter in your syllabus, the events that took place all over Europe, you have to learn year-wise. So, let me tell you the dates and the events and number of times you can listen to this radio and you can for your better remembrance. 1789, the French Revolution occurred. 1797, Napoleon invaded Italy. Napoleonic Wars began. 1804, Napoleonic Code was introduced, prohibiting privileges based on birth, upheld the equality before law. 1814 to 1815, fall of Napoleon, the Vienna Peace Settlement. In the year 1821, Greek struggle for independence began. 1824, it is somewhat significant because English poet Lord Byron died. Why this personality is given an important place in European history? Because he organized funds and later went to fight in the war where he died of fever in 1824. Though he was a poet, an English poet, he is remembered even now because of his struggle for nationalism. 1831, Giuseppe Mazzini established Young Italy. An armed rebellion against Russian rule took place in this year only. 1832, Greece gained independence. The Treaty of Constantinople happened. 1834, Zollverein or the Customs Union was formed in Prussia to abolish tariff barriers. 1848 is very significant because it is a time of revolutions in Europe, and artisans, industrial workers, and peasants revolt against economic hardships, middle classes' demands, constitutions, and representative governments. Italians, Germans, Magyars, Poles, Czechs, etc. demanded for nation states. In the year 1859, Piedmont and France defeated Austria. 1861, Victor Emmanuel II of Piedmont Sardinia became the King of Italy. In the year 1859 to 1870, unification of Italy happened. Now see children, 1866 to 1871, unification of Germany happened. Let us discuss about it. Once again, if you have any doubts about it, and comment below.